Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Today, we bring you 5 delectable recipes that are as kind to your blood sugar as they are to your taste buds. These dishes are designed to keep your blood glucose levels steady while providing a burst of flavor and nutrition. So, let's dive in. First on our list is the scrumptious chickpea salad. This vibrant dish combines the goodness of chickpeas, which are high in fiber and protein, with a medley of colorful vegetables. Start by rinsing a can of chickpeas and adding chopped cucumber, tomatoes, and red onion. Drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and fresh parsley. The high fiber content helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar. Next up is a breakfast favorite with a twist. Almond Flour Pancakes. Swap regular flour with almond flour to lower the carbohydrate content while enhancing the protein and healthy fat intake. Mix almond flour, eggs, almond milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Cook the batter on a non-stick skillet until golden brown. These pancakes are perfect with a topping of fresh berries or a dollop of Greek yogurt, providing a nourishing start to your day without causing a blood sugar roller coaster. Our third recipe is a delightful zucchini noodles with pesto. Zucchinis are an excellent low-carb alternative to traditional pasta, offering a light and nutritious base for any sauce. Spiralize fresh zucchini into noodles and toss them in a homemade pesto made of basil, garlic, olive oil, and pine nuts. The healthy fats in the pesto, combined with zucchini's low glycemic index, make this a fantastic blood sugar-friendly meal. Moving on to something hearty, we present you lentil soup. This hearty soup is rich in plant-based protein and fiber, essential for blood sugar control. Start by sautéing chopped onions, garlic, carrots, and celery in olive oil. Add vegetable broth, lentils, and a selection of herbs such as thyme and bay leaf. Simmer until the lentils are tender. This comforting dish is satisfying and stabilizing, making it the perfect choice for lunch or dinner. Finally, let's finish with a sweet treat that doesn't compromise on health. Chia Seed Pudding. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. To make this creamy dessert, combine chia seeds with almond milk and a splash of vanilla extract. Refrigerate overnight to thicken. Top with a handful of nuts or fresh berries before serving. Its natural sweetness and nutrient-dense profile ensure a guilt-free indulgence. Incorporating these recipes into your meal plan can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, providing both nourishment and satisfaction. Each dish is crafted to align with your health goals without sacrificing flavor. So, whether you're planning your next meal or a week's worth of menus, consider these options to keep your blood sugar in check while enjoying delicious food. Remember, the key to managing your blood sugar is consistently choosing foods that are low in simple carbohydrates and rich in nutrients. With these recipes, achieving that balance has never been easier or more delicious. Enjoy cooking, and here's to good health.